Hello everyone, this is Jason from China. Today I will share the modification types of nylon. Enjoy sharing. First, let's check out the 4 categories of plastics. It is sorted by thermoplastic and thermosetting. Nylon plastic is one of the engineered plastic. Plastics also can be divided into crystalline resin and non-crystalline resins. Non-crystalline resin also called amorphous resin. And we see from the picture, according to the heat resistance getting better, the price is also higher. From above, nylon is crystalline resin. To be precise, nylon 6 and nylon 6 are thermoplastic semi-crystalline resins. Due to nylon's many characters, it's widely used in automotive, electronic, and electrical field, 5G, mechanical structure, sports equipment, textiles, household kitchenware, high-speed rail, aerospace, and other industries. With lightweight of automobiles, new energy vehicle development, the high performance of electronic and electrical equipment, and the lightweight process of mechanical equipment, the requirements and demands for nylon are higher and greater. Especially nylon as a structural material, its strength, heat resistance, cold resistance, and other aspects put forward higher requirements. The shortcomings of nylon are also important factors limiting its application. Therefore, it must be targeted at a certain application field. Improve the properties by modification to expand its application range. First, improve the water absorption of nylon. Get better dimensional stability of the products. Second, improve the flame retardancy of nylon to meet the requirements of electrical communication and other industries. Third, improve the mechanical strength of nylon to achieve the strength of metal materials, replacing metal sometimes. Fourth, improve the toughness and the low temperature resistance of nylon, enhance its ability to withstanding environmental strains such as caster, roller, thermal break in cold climate. Fifth, improve the wear resistance of nylon for applications with high wear requirements such as gears, slide accessories. Sixth, improve the anti-static properties of nylon to meet the requirements of mine and mechanical applications. Seventh, improve the heat resistance of nylon to apply the areas that are resistant to high temperature conditions, such as around automotive engines. Eighth, improve the UV resistance of nylon in order to apply long-term outdoor climate erosion damage. Extend the service life of the products. Of course, these functions can also exist side by side through modification, and they do not conflict with each other. In terms of modification method, there are following commonly used, and I have listed a table for reference. I think we are most known to nylon 6 and nylon 6 glass fiber reinforced modification, but manual filling in the nylon modification is not often used, and the general functional modification are modified according to the customer product's application. Each modification has its own characters and shortcomings, and we will discuss it in later details modification methods. Also, we can make some videos according to the comments. That's all for today. Before discussing the modification, let's share some basic nylon properties first, like water absorption and shrinkage. This is Jason, a layman who studied nylon. Thank you. See you later.